Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 37. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find this video useful, please contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company in its published financial statements has disclosed the note on contingent liabilities as shown in the slide. The company has disclosed a contingent liability for letters of comfort issued to banks on behalf of subsidiary. In our view, such a disclosure is not in accordance with Ind AS 37. The reason for the same is explained in further slides. A letter of comfort is an obligation to deliver cash when demanded by the bank in specified circumstances. A letter of comfort may or may not meet the definition of financial guarantee contract depending on its terms. Anyways, a letter of comfort is a financial liability. Para 311 of Ind AS 109. Para 311 of Ind AS 109 requires financial liabilities to be recognized when the entity becomes a party to the contract. Therefore, the company should have recognized the letter of comfort as a financial liability. However, the company has disclosed a contingent liability for the letter of comfort. Para 2 of Ind AS 37 states that Ind AS 37 does not apply to financial instruments including guarantees that are within the scope of Ind AS 109. Therefore, the letter of comfort being within the scope of Ind AS 109 cannot be disclosed as contingent liability. Accordingly, the company has not complied with Ind AS 37. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.